Good morning, little friends. Meet Pip, the most playful panda in the whole bamboo forest. As the sun rises and fills the forest with golden light, Pip wakes up, stretches his fuzzy arms, and feels ready for an amazing adventure. Wait, what's that? Pip spots something magical. A beautiful rainbow butterfly with sparkling wings is fluttering right in front of him. Where did this colorful friend come from? Pip's curiosity takes over. Off goes Pip, chasing the butterfly through the forest. He runs, jumps over logs, and bounces past colorful flowers. This is so much fun. The butterfly leads Pip to a secret place, a magical garden filled with the most beautiful flowers and glowing plants he's ever seen. Wow! And look who's here. Pip meets a friendly bunny, a cheerful bird, and a playful kitten. They're all so happy to meet him. Now everyone plays together. They laugh and play hide and seek among the giant flowers. What a wonderful time. The magical butterfly thanks Pip for his kindness and grants him a special wish. Now, Pip and his friends can play in this magical garden whenever they want. Pip and all his new friends celebrate together, knowing they'll have many more adventures. The end.